Hi guys, you're at Usitility, gamers' favorite channel. Now we're going to learn how to install the Operation New Earth on PC, therefore we can play with keyboard and mouse even on a big screen. Want to know how an Android OS game will work on computer system? Well, I am going to teach you. You are viewing it on the screen, and you'll learn how it is actually working. Thus, let's begin. First of all, start any internet browser, for instance Google Chrome, and you have to click the website given in video description. Here is the URL you need to use. You'll be directed to this web page of BlueStacks Operation New Earth. Through BlueStacks, we'll install and play the game on a large screen. BlueStacks is actually an awesome software to download any mobile game even on a big screen. We select the Download Operation New Earth for PC option, and the download will start. Here it is, BlueStacksInstaller.exe. We simply click this file to start it. In Windows 10, it'll have asked us for agreement, we enter yes and accept. I will minimize the browser, so we can see the game installer much better. The next task is to find the place in which you want to install Operation New Earth. You can pick a custom location by clicking Customize Installation. And then, please click here on Back and press Install Now. It is going to download just a few megabytes. The download of game depends on the internet speed. Installing the emulator will begin automatically. The installation is complete. Persistence is required for the first time only, as the system will make several essential configurations for BlueStacks. This specific step is very important. We will have to get access to Google Play. Let's click on Sign In. Log in to Google Play by providing your email as well as password. It is important to sign in to install the game. See you after this step. We will enter the email as well as password in our Google account, and that's it. We have now logged in Google Play account. We must accept the terms of use. We press I agree. We do not need to make the device backup, so we will select No. The emulator works like a tablet or even mobile phone. This is exactly why it displays exact same options as you see in the mobile's Google Play account. Anyways, we've finally reached our Google Play account. If you want to go back to the desktop, you should click on this little arrow. Observe that the two icons are now being shown here, which are BlueStacks and BlueStacks Multi-Instance. Head over to BlueStacks in order to start the BlueStacks application. It is the time to install Operation New Earth on laptop or computer so that we'll enjoy this interesting game on a big screen. We'll have to visit Google Play for installing Operation New Earth. Operation New Earth is being downloaded, show patience. In case you have fast net connection, it won't take such a long time to download Operation New Earth. I'll be back again after this downloading in order to save the time. After installing the game, the icon of Operation New Earth has been shown up on the computer's desktop, and hence we can directly start the game. Every time whenever you would like to have fun playing the game, double-click Operation New Earth icon on your computer's desktop. You may have explored how you can launch the game, although I will show you an additional way to start Operation New Earth through BlueStacks. We will click on this icon and launch it. Do you want to enjoy the game on the big screen? If yes, then there are two methods. See, here's how it is possible to increase the screen by maximizing the emulator. It wouldn't be a 100% full screen. Either you need to go into the full screen mode or exit. You should click F11. If you need to enjoy the game without having interruption, then playing in the full screen setting is the ideal option. You may also make modifications in the keyboard configurations from here. Anyhow, keyboard settings already seem to be ideal, therefore we will just close it. If you have a powerful computer, then it will better aid gaming within an emulator. Anyway, here is the game installed. Super easy. Don't forget to like this tutorial and leave a comment if any, we'll be pleased to reply. Thank you friends for paying attention. I really hope this video will be useful for those who have watched it thoroughly. Bye.